So, dear students, let's start our first chapter of the syllabus, that is improvement in food resources. So, in the beginning of the chapter, we must have an idea about this improvement in food resources. So, this idea will develop with its definition, that is what is improvement in food resources. So, if it comes to define the improvement in food resources, we can define it. The term improvement in food resources deals with the study about those resources like mainly plants and animals, both as major sources of food for us, in which certain improvements can be made with the help of biological tools and techniques in such a way that these biological tools and techniques are being applied to improve the quantity and quality of food for the welfare of humankind. Means, for the welfare of humankind, whatever happening in life or in biology or in science, all happening only for the welfare of humankind, because this is being utilized, or these are being utilized by the humankind, and these are for useful for the humankind. So, it is written over here for the welfare of humankind. Right now, this term improvement in food resources, it deals with what? So, it deals with the complete study. What kind of study? So, study about certain resources, and these resources mainly plants and animals. Means, the food resources improvement directly deals with certain resources like plants and animals, which are considered as major sources of food. So, what are the factors improving food resources? So, certain resources which are plants and animals, and these plants and animals are the major sources of food. Means, the major sources of food, plants and animals, are called the resources mainly which are being studied in terms of the improvement in food resources. So, over here we have to study about the improvement in plants and animals. Then what kind of improvement? So, this leads with the improvement in quantity and quality. Two Qs are most importantly under considerable. First Q relative to quantity, means in large number, because you know always our Prime Minister is saying and used to say that 130 crore deshwasi, means 130 crores people of our Indian nation. So, this is quantity. Anything is being produced quantitatively first, thereafter quality, means though the quality must be very good, no doubt, but it will be available for almost a large quantity for the all people which are present or which are living in India or Indian circumstances. Fine. Now, this is all about the improvement in food resources, and this improvement can be done through certain biological tools and techniques, and these tools and techniques governs with those scientific measurements, applications, appliances, by the dint of which the improvement in the form of cultivative productivity, cultivation will be going on, and the complete agricultural or animal productivity will grow further by the dint of these biological tools and techniques which are helpful in the improvement. So the basis of this improvement is biological tools and techniques, the appliance of biology. Okay, we'll discuss about it further, and this is to improve the food resources, which are the major sources of food like plants and animals. And these plants and animals are come under to study as the in terms of the improvement in food resources. So what kind of improvement? Means improvement in plants and animals. Then what kind of improvement in plants and animals? So to improve its quantity, its quality based on large quantity. Now how does this qualitative and quantitative productivity will grow? So it will be grow by the dint of certain tools and techniques, biological tools and techniques. All these three measures are applied together and governs as the improvement in food resources. That's all. Now, significances of improvement in food resources. What do we get by improving food resources? As a summary point of view, certain significances. Only two main significances are over there. Number one, to improve the food in large quantity. Why do we need to improve the food resources? Means we need to improve our food resources first to improve the food in large quantity in the form of green revolution, for grains cultivation, in the form of blue revolution, for fishes cultivation, in the form of white revolution, milk productivity, animal cultivation, animal husbandry, like these things. Mainly green revolution, white revolution, blue revolution, etc. These are to improve the food in large quantity. Thereafter, the productivity of food must be of good quality. See, first of all, quality. Quality does matter, but the population, quality for whom? Quality for population. If the population is not over there, then the quality will be wasted. So, quality does matter, but it is being consumpted by the population, means quantity first. We must cultivate or grow the things for quantity, for major quantity, or you can say large group of population, and afterward as well as qualitative analysis also will be done in such a way that the huge quantity along with great quality. This is our theme of improvement in food resources based on the proper significances of this improvement in food resources. That's all about this definition of improvement in food resources. Now, what is food? If we are improving our food material, means let us know about this food also, just recall. So, you all know anything which we do eat to get energy is called food. Food is the material which are being consumed by us to get energy, and the food ingredients or food nutrients. So, whatever the substances which are eaten in the form of food materials to get energy are called food ingredients. Whatever we are eating as our food material, all such things as a dish is called food, and in this we are utilizes certain kind of corn, grains, vegetables, etc. This all about the food ingredients.